how to add phone number to GoHighLevel. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can add your numbers into GoHighLevel. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and switch into your agency, or actually into your sub account that you want to add numbers to, right? Then what you want to do is you want to click on the settings option over here, and then here go into phone systems, and then here wait for it to load up, and you'll see this option right here called add number. Now if you don't see it, that means that you know what, the main settings is not activated. So for that you need to go back into the agency view, go into settings, and then here go into phone integration. And then once you're over here, wait a couple of minutes and you can see it's turned on. You'll find the LC phone line over here. So you can see right here, you can go ahead and create them and turn it on. Once it's turned on, you should be good to go. So now we can go back and add those numbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back into our sub accounts, go into settings, go into phone system, and then here we click on add numbers. All right, and then we select one of these options right here. So add phone numbers used for SMS or calls, add number pool for lead tracking, or add verified caller ID. All right, since we want to add phone numbers, we click on phone numbers, and then we select one of the phones over here from this list. You can see they're pretty simple over here. You can go ahead and select from different cities, different countries. You can see the pricing over here. You can see we need a address over here. So you can see right here, type over here is local. These are toll-free numbers. You can see these are mobile numbers. Pricing are over here. You can see the monthly price. And then you just select the number that you like and then hit the proceed to buy button. And then you are good to go. And then you can confirm the number. All right. And then proceed to buy. All right. And yeah, you can add a bundle over here if you want. You need to complete a few easy steps before we get started, so you can go ahead and check those out. But yeah, then you just buy it, and then your number is going to be available over here, and it's as simple as that. Then you can go ahead and get and use it. It's as simple as that. No, nothing too crazy, nothing too complicated in this one. Just simply click on the numbers, select the number you want, search for the number in which country you want, just simply click on it, buy it. All right, select the number, proceed to buy it. Buy that number, fill out a few different details, and verify yourself if you need to. Sometimes you need to get verified. So once you've verified yourself, you are good to go. And then you can go ahead and purchase the number and you're good to go. So it's that simple. So that's how you can add phone numbers into GoHighLevel. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.